What? You're telling me that Tesla is going all the way to 142 in the next 1 to 3 months? Well, if you think that's the way, then why don't you show us? What's your argument here? Hi guys, how are you? So today we're gonna take a journey through time and see what is going on with Tesla. And like we always do, we're gonna break this whole thing down, and I would like to go deep into what is happening and where are we coming to. So if I look at the weekly chart, what do I see? What do I see? I see, first of all, I would like to make some support and resistance, and really try to make my own kind of gameplay, my own domain within which I'll play. So right now I'm making my own domain. Let's see here. Okay, see support and resistance right here. Okay. I see a lot of resistance and support right at this point. And I see here a couple of points where it has touched and stayed. I see this, yes. So on the weekly, I see all these points. I even see, yes, I see this. I see this right here. Look at that. So basically on the weekly, I see all these big points: 402, 299, 221, 152. You see that these are the points where the market will react one way or the other, and chances are it's gonna be hard to break those points. That's the whole reason why I'm doing this. Let's go to daily. And on the daily, what do I see? What do I see? The daily, what I see is OMG. O to the double O. OMG. Look at that. Look at that. It's not what I'm making, it's just what the chart is showing me. Look at that. What is our color? So our color is red for daily. Okay. What else do I see in daily? I see all these points. OMG. Look at that. Look at that. See that? See that? So by having all these lines, all support and resistances, we just want to see, how do we trade this thing? Where is this? Oh my God. I got a tongue twister. Look at that. On the daily, it's still in a downtrend. And I got some, oh my God, a few points, which I'm gonna tell you guys, and you're gonna be startled. Okay, now let's go on what else do I see? On the daily chart, do I see any more resistances? Resistance as always, but it's as much as we can. Yes, there's another resistance right here. It's huge. And the market has gotten stuck here before as well. Yep. Look at that, around this point. See, again, it's being retested at 221. Let's go on the 4-hour. What do we see? One thing that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to tell you this. If you can get this is huge. right here. You see this gap? Every gap that has ever been made has been filled in Tesla. Look at this. There was a gap here and it got filled. There was a gap here, it just went up, it got filled. There was a gap here, it went up and it got filled. Gap, not filled yet. There are 2 gaps right now. 3 actually. Isn't this amazing? Historically, as of now, there are 3 gaps which have not been filled to date. Oh, hold on. Maybe they have. Let's see. Yes, they have. Yes, they have. Yes, they have. Look at that. Look at that. Gaps are always filled. Look at this gap. It got filled. Market came back to it. So these have been filled. So what I'm establishing is that gaps are always filled, no matter what you do. But this gap, my friends, is not being filled. Do you see this gap being filled? No. This gap has not been filled. OMG. What does that mean? That means that one day this is coming here. 142. And to support my theory is that it's already in the downtrend. OMG. And I have another theory. Look at this. Hold on. I'm going to show you something. If I work with the fib, first move, OMG, look at that. 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it's coming down here, buddy, and it has all this room to play with, to roam around, do whatever it wants, and it's coming down right here. So the trajectory that I see as of now, you know what? Let's do this the fib way. So you guys know how I drew the fib. So this, it retracted and it's going down right here. My friends, Tesla is on its way to 140. The lowest point as of now seems to be 140. So gear up. 140 is where Tesla is heading. 140. Oh, that is another thing. Let's see. Where is my text? Right here. Tesla, TSLA, heading to 142 level. When? It's at 20. Where is that right now? 212? Somewhere there? 221? 14? It's not that far. 80 bucks only. I say 1 to 3 months. Guys, I would like you to keep a mental note of this and know where you heard this first. Because all the indications that the gap theory, fib, its support and resistance, everything is showing that Tesla is heading towards 142 level the next 1 to 3 months. Now, when that happens, make sure you guys tell people who predicted, or a better word, who could actually see it through all these arguments. Because for us, it's all this probability and arguments and past experience. That's where you heard this before. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Happy trading, you all.